Good day, sir, and all. I'm fairly passionate about this topic of error management as it directly relates to my role in support of the Royal Canadian Air Force. Every month, I perform an audit of an Air Force squadron and relate back to the commander the results, risk level, and how the squadron can improve. As such, my ability to determine risk based off of errors and trends is imperative to the end state result I need to provide. The information in this presentation is supported both by the references at the end as well as my own experiences on this subject. Oftentimes, the identification of a risk or the unfortunate accident or incident is preceded by a gut feeling. The FAA and the James Reason model describes this as part of the dirty dozen, and ICAO from the Safety Management System describes it as safety culture, others as maintenance culture and error climate. Through the Quality Management System and Safety Management System, an organization has input both formally and informally as to the trend, results, and analysis of previous errors. These give indications as to the state of the organization today. Over the next few slides, we will discuss maintenance errors and failures as well as human errors. It should be noted that while each type represents a deviation in some manner, it is important to note that not all deviations have the same level of risk. This is important due to the prioritization that an organization will place on the implementation of an action plan to correct and prevent any future types of errors or failures. Skyberry defines a maintenance error as an unintended failure to carry out a specific maintenance task. An example provided is a deviation from an existing process, standard, or practice. This definition becomes confusing because of the link that is made to the level of human interaction that is involved in maintenance errors. Examples of such an error could include fitting of the wrong part, incorrect installation of parts or tools, or pieces left in an area resulting in foreign objects and debris. Research into the definition of maintenance failure resulted in a few conflicting definitions. In short, many articles seem to utilize maintenance failure or error interchangeably. From a software perspective, it denotes an action that does not produce the intended output. Other articles describe a failure of a component due to a previous error, or generally a holistic describe for a lack of adherence to maintenance processes. Human errors, again from Skyberry, is viewed as a subset of maintenance errors or a contributing cause to those errors. They are direct actions taken that fail to generate the intended outcome. They are seen as slips or confusions in the processes, lapses such as omissions or mistakes that are being made. Boeing supports the Skyberry definition as the cause of the error has a direct human link. Boeing provides a number of formal strategies for reducing errors such that they do not have an impact on safety. However, knowing that it only takes a single action to break the error chain, there are many possibles available. Of those available, 3 that are common themes and recommended are a proactive approach, investigation of root cause analysis, and safety communication. The proactive approach to error reduction, identification, and analysis cannot be overstated. This approach is at the core of recent quality management standards such as AS9100, as well as ICAO's methodology for safety management systems. It attempts to seek out errors in processes and procedures and implement fixes before errors can occur, or modifying training for processes or tasks or implementing new technical skills. Whether it is following an incident or accident or from audit results, the root cause analysis of why the event occurred or finding observed is critical. The root cause analysis helps in understanding the situation and contributing factors to assist in the development of future corrective preventive action plans. In addition, by highlighting a single event and understanding it, it is feasible to expand the understanding to determine if there are other areas susceptible to similar errors. Finally, the Safety Management System provides numerous pillars to improve the safety within an organization. Of those, communication is key to assist not just one organization, but all. Through communication, it is feasible for other organizations to learn from events and contributing factors of an incident or accident. This is essential to globally improve safety such that that same error does not need to be repeated by all. A non-punitive approach to solicit information and feedback can also assist in understanding the state of the organization. Each organization is filled with knowledgeable professionals that want to do better and ensure the safe delivery of an aeronautical product. The need for information to prevent future errors is far more important than pointing the fingers or blame at someone for an event. Boeing describes the need to focus on facts, with a focus on safety to ensure prevention in the future. Open, honest, and transparent communication is needed to solicit information to prevent these future errors. Finally, the safety, maintenance, and error culture and climate of an organization say a lot about the probability of future errors and events. The need for communication strategies to solicit information and communicate externally can ensure proactive actions are taken. With a focus on safety and decreasing risk, an organization needs to focus on these prevention of errors. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation, and I look forward to any comments, questions, or feedback you may have.